Hi, this is Jason with Dave's Computer Tips with another how-to video for you. This one's on how to blur house on Google Maps. That's right, you can blur your house on Google Maps by requesting it. That way, if you don't want someone to see your house when they look it up on Google, I think it's kind of unsafe to have your image up there because, it gives them every point of view of your house so they know how to get you if they're going to be stealing something from you. So I think it's important to maybe blur your house on Google Maps. I'm going to show you how to do that in this video, but before we get going, hit the like on the video. It really helps our channel. Also, hit the subscribe and the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos we come out with every Thursday. So keep checking back every Thursday. You'll find something new to learn. Last week, we went over how to disconnect apps from your ChatGPT. If you want to find that, I'll put the link down below so you can check it out. But we're going to do this now. So let's find our Google. So go to Google, any Google. Actually, first, before I go, I want to give you the warning. There's a warning. Once blurred, the image cannot be reversed. If you sell your house, it will remain blurred for the new owners. So remember, this is non-reversible. So I want to make sure I get that warning out now. Just make sure you know that before you move forward. I figure they probably can get it unblurred if they really wanted to. It might take some work, and they're going to ask for verification, and we'll go over that in just a minute. So, okay, let's get this started. I'm using my Windows laptop, Google Chrome. Very simple. Just go to Google, and then you're going to search for your house. So we're going to go, hang on. Is this my house? No, that's something else. Hang on. I thought I had there we go. Just have this up, your Google thing, and then you're going to look for your house. So type in house address. I'm going to type a random one. I don't know who, my neighbor maybe? I don't know. I'm just going to do this. Okay, you're not going to see it, but let's see. I'm going to type in the house address. Okay, I almost got it, guys. I'm going to do that. Okay, so it brings up. So you're going to get this little map that pops up, and you're going to see your image of your house in this screen right here. You're going to click on that. So it tells you your house address down below it, and then you're going to click on this, and then when you click it, it's going to bring up the full the full view of your home. Now, what you want to do is once you're on here, you're going to go up to where it has your address and the three dots to the left here. You're going to click on that. And then you're going to report a problem because there's a problem because you don't want your house being seen. So you can click on that. And it's going to bring up this screen. This is the important screen. This shows you your street address, your street view, image preview. Going down here, why are you reporting this image? Requesting blurring is the one you want. That's the section we're going to go to. And we're going to go down to my home or an object on my private property. So that's what we're trying to do. Click on that box. Then you're going to get this. And then you have to check this box as I certify that I have the authority to request the blurring of this property because I'm the owner or tenant. So you have to check that box. So check that box. And then this added something new since my article. I'll have the link down below for my article. But since the article, they've added an extra step. And the extra step is upload a document that establishes proof of address for the residential location, which I think is smart to be blurred. So you can click their help area. It tells you exactly what they're asking for. It must be an image. So basically like a bill or something with your address on it, and it proves it's you and your name's on it. I'm thinking that's what they're asking for. And you choose your file from your computer and you upload it here. We're not doing that for this part of the video. And then when you go down, it says, and it wants you to re-enter the address so they can verify this is what you're really asking for and wherever it is. So you're going to put your address back in here. I'm going to do that. So you put your address in there. I'm not putting the address in there because I don't need to. Actually, I probably could. I probably should. Let's do it for the video. Okay, so we're going to put the address back in here. And we're just not saying the address out loud because I don't need you to know where that person lives. It's like, no. All right, so we're going to do this. And then we're going to go here. And then pick your state. And then, okay, there we go. Now, once you put it all in, they just want to make sure you double verify if it makes sense. This residential location does not have an address. We have an address, so that doesn't make a big deal. And then they have the optional box, which I did say in my article. Please include additional information that will help us identify the correct home. I think if you're uploading the document, I think this is kind of redundant, but, put something in if you need to. And then once you're done, you're just going to scroll down, and they require an email address, so put your email address. And you have to say CAPTCHA. So you basically are not a robot, I'm hoping. And then you submit it. That's it. Then it might take a while for them to get back to you. Like it says back over here, Google may contact you. Like I said, approval time may take some time for the request to reviewed and implemented. But with the added feature of sending a document, I think it's probably going to be a lot quicker. But if you want to blur your house or an object on your property you don't want someone seeing, like especially your car with your license plate, that seems kind of, if your car is shown in the picture, I would think you want to blur that out. So that's how easy it is to blur. It's not easy, okay? There's a couple of steps, but you're doing the steps. At least you now know how to do it to blur out your house address or your house or the object on your property. And that's it. That's how easy it is. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell. Have a good day. Make sure to check out davescomputertips.com. That's where all our articles are. And also make sure you subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.